Welcome to the very first annual ceremony for G35 YouTubers. I'm glad to be presenting these awards to the YouTubers you guys love watching the most. The reason for this whole ceremony is to acknowledge the G35 YouTubers for giving their knowledge, entertainment, and inspiring others. So the fact is, a lot of you guys don't see the behind the scenes for each and every one of us. It starts from an idea to recording a video, to editing the video, to then uploading, and then finally doing it all over again. We're all passionate about what we do, and with that being said, let's take a look at the requirements for this year's nominees list. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is gonna hurt a lot of egos. This is definitely gonna be one of those things where people will cry, either from happiness or from sadness, and there also may be a bit of controversy from this video itself. This is meant to be fun and just shine light to the G35 YouTubers who work hard and keep their head down and make consistent content for all of us to enjoy. Before we look at the nominees list though, I wanted to tell you guys that I had zero to do with any of the voting and I did not participate in this just so there wouldn't be any confusion or any bias towards myself or towards any of the other people. I definitely didn't want any suspicions for myself or for any of the other people. I wanted this to be as fair as possible. So this is a culmination of all the supporters that I got from Instagram, all the DMs I received, which was a lot, by the way. So the way I did it, I asked every single person that DM'd me who their 5 top favorite G35 YouTubers were. And then after that, I ended up asking them who they thought deserved to be the best G35 YouTuber of 2021. And then on the YouTuber side, I ended up asking every single YouTuber nominee who they thought deserved to be the best YouTuber for G35 content of 2021. Thankfully, nobody voted for themselves, so we're not completely conceited. But with that being said, let's go ahead and check out the nominees. Now, regardless of who ends up being in the top 5 or even being the top G35 YouTuber of 2021, we can all agree that everyone here in this list deserves all the respect in the world. It is difficult to make consistent content, and each and every single one of these people that are nominated did that. Now, combining all of the videos that the nominees had all together, we ended up doing over 1,000 videos, which is absolutely insane, from June 11th, 2020 to June 11th, 2021. I feel like I can definitely speak for every single nominee that is mentioned that we definitely get motivated by you guys watching, by you guys liking, commenting, etc. You guys definitely keep us going, and we definitely appreciate that. So now let's get into the nitty gritty, guys. In this envelope, we have number 5 spot from the top 5 G35 YouTubers of 2021. So let's go ahead and see who it is. So coming in at number 5, we have Natish21. Congratulations to Natish for going ahead and being in the top 5 of the G35 YouTubers of 2021. You've definitely paved the way with your G35 content, pushing your G35 for over 800 horsepower, which is absolutely insane to just say. So you definitely deserve this, and hats off to you. So now let's go ahead and move on to the number 4 spot for top 5 G35 YouTubers of 2021. This is spot number 4, and this spot goes to Aaron Newman. Congratulations to Aaron. My respect to you for doing every single thing to your G35 that is possible. You've definitely paved the way with your content, and you've definitely helped so many people, including myself, how to fix certain things on your G35 that could be broken, because we all know our G35s have a lot of common problems, especially with drinking oil. But thank you, bro, for doing you and definitely producing some high quality content. So now we're going to move on to the top 3 G35 YouTubers of 2021. So in third place, coming in, is Damon VQ35. Congratulations to Damon BQ35. He's absolutely killing it in the G35 scene right now and on YouTube as well. He's had an insane blow up in the G35 community itself, and he also has an insane G35. He has it turboed, so he's just killing it at the moment. Keep doing the content you do, bro, and I hope to see more. Oh, we got 2 left, guys. So let's go ahead and check out who is in the number 2 spot for the top 2 G35 YouTube creators of 2021. So in second place, we have Static Garage.
Dude, that flame was massive. We heard it was boom.
Congratulations, Static Garage. I personally have had a lot of influence by them, and so much so that I ended up making this YouTube channel all G35 content related. That G35 that's owned by Martin has had a crazy wild ride in the last year. It went from being supercharged, which apparently that wasn't enough, to now being LS turbo swapped to push over 700 horsepower reliably. I don't think I need to say any more than that. Congratulations, Static Garage. Congratulations to Martin for having a sick G. I hope to see that car running with that LS swap by the end of the year. Keep at it. Now that only leaves us with one more spot. The number 1 spot, the best G35 YouTuber of 2021. I have the envelope right here ready to go. So let's go ahead and check it out. Who is the best G35 YouTuber of 2021? And that is Be Distinct.
I'm living my dream life right now. Need for Speed, Underground 2. That is sick right there. Oh shoot, that is sick, bro.
Congratulations to Be Distinct for being crowned the number 1 spot, the best G35 YouTuber of 2021. As I was looking for people that were eligible with all the requirements that I had earlier, I was looking at Be Distinct's page and I counted over 100 videos on his channel in the last year. That is insane. His work ethic is something to definitely be praised for, and congratulations to you, bro. You really deserve it. You've been putting your head down, you've been doing the work, and now this is the result of it. So I reached out to Be Distinct and he sent a video for us to watch. So let's go ahead and watch it right now.
Hey fam, what up? It's your boy Johnny Bravo. Nah, just kidding. It's your boy Be Distinct. I just want to say I'm truly honored to win this this prize. I'm truly honored, man. Thank you to you guys for supporting me throughout all this way from the beginning. You guys saw, some of you guys saw from the very beginning. I started this whole thing, and man, it's just honestly so amazing, and this feeling right here is unreal, especially in times right here when I'm in the middle of going stock, and you guys are still sticking by my side, supporting. Is just awesome. So this shout out to Joe Vazquez, and thank you guys, man. I'm speechless, and I got to get back to working with the G35. I'll catch you guys July 31st, supercharging the G35, and the honeycomb hood should come before that, so we'll slap that on before. So thank you guys. Love you guys. Be safe. Be distinct. You already know, brothers. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace. Why was that an outro? Peace out, guys.
So that is all for this video. This is the very first annual G35 YouTuber Awards. If you guys enjoy this, or if you guys want to make this bigger, make sure you are sharing this to the whole community. This can only get bigger every single year. So with the help of you guys, that can be achieved. If you guys are unhappy or were not mentioned or eligible for the requirements to be in this year's ceremony, use this as healthy competition. If you really want to make make this your dream, your reality. This is healthy competition. Next year, you can definitely be in the nominees list if you just put your effort into it. At the end of the day, we love what we do. We love making content for you guys to enjoy, and this is just another part in that to help recognize and shine light on the people that deserve it the most. So with the first thing of anything, this definitely has room for improvement. So if you guys liked something, if you guys disliked something, it is your turn now to leave a comment down below what you liked, disliked, and what you wish could have seen more of or could have changed. So all the comments down below will be a consideration for next year's award ceremony. So definitely leave a comment down below. It will help a ton for everyone to enjoy this and make it a better experience for everyone. Just a quick example could be somebody else co-hosting with me that is part of the community. Another one could be me FaceTiming or Zooming somebody in the community, another G35 YouTuber who may be on the rise, who may be on the come up. Definitely leave comments down below. I'm just spitballing ideas here to let you guys have some fun with it and definitely help improve this. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Joe, and I'll see you guys in the next award ceremony. Peace.